Neil, and check out what I got here. I got these. This is a pack of, I don't know, like 20 of these things. I'm going to show you what they are here in a second. It's super cool, though. It's the holidays now, so I figured, hey, what kind of fun can we have? So look at this. It's a fiber optic little toy, and to activate it, you pull the little tab that'll put the batteries in use. And look at this. I push the button, and now I got it. It's flashing, and I can push it again, and it's a slow flash. Put it a third time, and it just stays on, and then it turns off. So how cool is that? And it comes with a whole bunch of these. So I got a whole set of, I don't know how many there are, probably like 20 or something of these in here. So super cool. Does it have a model number? I don't even have a brand or model number on this one right now, but this is what it is here, and it comes with that comes packed well. They all seem to work, and I like the way they put that little battery protector in there, so they won't be going off in the mail. So nice. It comes with the batteries. It's ready to go. So you could probably pay a fortune for these things at a theme park or something, or you can bring them yourself. So there you go. Tip from Neil. So very good. Like a thumbs up from me on this.